Here at HMG, it is our mission to make sure our employees are logging their hours because your time is very valuable to us. Welcome to the Clockify tutorial video. Our first step in this is to open Clockify. So I have it right here and I'll just click it open. So here you'll see the home screen is a summary of all of the hours that you have logged so far. So if you're looking at this and it's inaccurate, continue watching the video because we are going to show you how to add your hours. So we're going to press the blue plus sign. So once we press that, we'll have this home screen pop up. There's really only 3 major things that we need to focus on this screen. The first one is this blue start box. The second one is this blue end box. And the third is the project section. So focusing on our first component, the blue start box, we'll click that. And once we click it, this will pop up. And to change the date, what we want to do is just scroll through. So I'm going to say that I worked yesterday. So you see how I just scroll through with my finger. So I'll change that to Thursday, December 22nd. And we'll say that I started working. So I got to the job site at 7:30 a.m. So this button over here is the hours. So I'll scroll and I'll make sure that the 7 is highlighted. And then over here is the minutes. So I'll come over here and make sure that 30 is highlighted. And I got there at 7:30 a.m. So once this first screen is accurate, you'll just press the blue box again to lock it in. And then we'll move over to our second blue box, our end blue box. I'll click that open. Now this is when you are finishing your day. So this will be at the end of the day once you're leaving the job site. So we'll say that I left yesterday. So I want Thursday to be highlighted. I left yesterday at 4:30 p.m. So then I'll make sure that I scroll through and everything is highlighted accurately. So I left Thursday, December 22nd at 4:30 p.m. So once I'm confident that this is highlighted, I'll lock it in. A way to double check yourself is to look at this middle white section. It'll show you the total amount of hours. So here it says 9 hours, and I'll think to myself, that's pretty accurate. If I went in at 7:30 and I'm leaving at 4:30, I spent 9 hours at the job site. So if that makes sense to you, then we'll move back down to the project portion. This is our last major player in this game. We'll click the project, and what this does is it will pull up all available jobs that are open. So the reason that we do this is because your hours are billed to a very specific job, and it's the job that you are working on for that day. So let's say that I am working on flat roof. So I will click building 138 flat roof. And once I enter that, you'll see that down here, it becomes billable. And that is what you want to see. So after this, you don't want to touch anything else. And you'll come up here and you will press the add button because now everything is filled in and you are ready to add it. And then you'll see that it pops up right here on your home screen, and so that way you can go back and check and make sure that everything is logged in correctly. So I hope this is helpful and informational, and happy logging.